I will introduce to myself. My name is Azahra, with student number is 2211010600001 from PBI 1. In this lesson, I choose the communicative language teaching method. With the learning topic I choose, which is writing descriptive text. Then for the student level, which is junior high school. Well, then I will implement how to learn this CLT method. What is CLT? CLT is communicative language teaching, is a language teaching method that emphasizes the use of language in a communicative context. Its main goal is to develop student communicative skill by integrating speaking, listening, reading, and writing activities in real situations. CLT different from traditional approaches that focus on mastering grammar and vocabulary, as it places students in communicative situations that allow them to use English effectively. In CLT, students are focused on learning the language by having actual social interaction, such as conversation, presentation, and discussion. This method considers that communicative skill, or listening, speaking, reading, and writing, are the competencies to be developed in language learning. Therefore, teachers provide realistic and fun communicative situations for students so that students can learn the language in a more effective and enjoyable. The topic of learning using descriptive text are the subject used to create descriptive text. Descriptive text is a type of text that contains a detailed description of an object so that the reader seems to see, hear, feel, or experience the thing described by the writer. Example of objects that can be written in descriptive text include living things, object, place, or even such as a person, animal, musical instrument, room, or food disaster. In learning descriptive text, topics are used to develop student ability to identify and describe object in detail. Students are asked to describe the object by using precise and detailed words so that the reader can imagine the object. Thus, students can develop better speaking, listening, reading, and writing skill, as well as improve their analysis and systematic abilities. Lesson plan outline. The first do the warm-up activity, which is right within 5 minutes. The aim is to effective student prior knowledge and set the context. The activity is to show the student a picture of a busy city street and then ask the student to describe what they see in pairs. Expanded outcomes, students begin to think about descriptive language and practice speaking skills. The second introduction to descriptive text time use is 5 minutes. The aim is to introduce the structure and purpose of descriptive text in English. The activity is to give a brief explanation of what descriptive text is and its main component of introduction, body, conclusion. Expected outcomes, student understanding the learning objective and basic structure of descriptive writing. The third, modeling description text time use 5 minutes. The objective is to demonstrate how to write descriptive text correctly. The activity is to read aloud an example of a descriptive paragraph about a garden, highlight descriptive words and phrases, then discuss why it is effective to write descriptive text with their details. The expected outcome is where students see an example of descriptive text and understand what make it interesting. The next is guided practice. Time use 10 minutes. The aim is for students to practice writing described sentence with teacher guidance and support. The activity is to give students a list of adjectives and sensory detail and ask them to write a sentence describing a beach. Work as a class to create a collaborative paragraph. Expected outcomes: students apply descriptive language in sentence and understand how to build a composite paragraph. The next is give the text of working in pairs between students in making descriptive paragraph. The time used is 10 minutes. The aim is to encourage students practice writing in pairs. The activity is done in pairs. Students choose a picture or provided by the teacher and write a descriptive paragraph about the picture. They should use the vocabulary and structure discussed earlier. Expected outcome where students produce descriptive text collaboratively using their communicative skill. The next activity is sharing and feedback, which is done in 10 minutes. The aim is to provide opportunities for peer feedback and further practice. The activity is for peers to read their paragraph in front and the class. Other students give feedback focusing on the use of descriptive language. Expanded outcome where students refine their writing based on the feedback and improve their ability to constructively criticize. The last is actively is conclusion within 5 minutes. The aim is to summarize the lesson and reinforce the learning from beginning to end. The LP activity is to recap the key point in writing descriptive text. Note the importance of using sensory detail and clear language. Then give the homework for students to write a descriptive paragraph about a favorite place they have. Expanded outcome: students left with a clear understanding of descriptive writing and an assessment to apply what they have learned during class. Conclusion: the lesson plan outline effectively integrates the principle of communicative language teaching or CLT to develop junior high school students' skill in writing descriptive text. Through a series of structured activities, students are introduced to the concept of descriptive writing and gradually guided to practice and refine their skill in a communicative context. The lesson begins with a warm-up activity that engages student prior knowledge and prompts them to use descriptive language in a familiar setting. This is followed by a brief introduction to the structure and purpose of the descriptive text, ensuring students understand the foundational element they will be working with. Subsequent activities provide students with a clear model of descriptive writing, guided practice to build their confidence, and opportunities to collaborate and receive feedback. By working in pairs to create descriptive paragraph and sharing their work with the class, students enhance their communicative skill and learn to apply constructive criticism. The lesson concludes with a summary of key points and a homework assessment. reinforcing the day's learning and encouraging students to apply their new skill independently. Overall, the lesson plan fosters an engaging and interactive environment where students can develop their writing abilities in a supportive and communicative setting. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.